Para persona huma, é químico na den cigarrillo por hasi, que adernan que transporta sangue, hincha e queda inflama. Esse aqui por hasi que adernan tabira smal e provoca problema cardíaco.
I was a very healthy person. I ran every day. I ate correctly. The only one thing I did wrong was smoke.
Depois com huma pa 20 anos largo, temi tabisa que ela queda diagnostica com enfermedad cardíaco, caminho que mistera passa durante uma operação urgente.
I was on life support for 2 days, and I had to fight. I had to fight my way back from death. So 2 days later, I woke up, laying there with tubes in my throat, my hands tied down, and wondering what would happen, what went wrong. And it was at that point I knew it was a cigarette.
It's never too late to quit.
Tem vários países no mundo que tem centro que pode ajudar pessoa se acaso decide dia que quer stop de huma para sempre.
Once you get through those couple of uncomfortable days of nicotine withdrawal, you do begin to feel better and lower your risks of developing diseases caused by smoking, including cancer, cardiovascular disease, and COPD.
You will have to pay for smoking, so please don't quit quitting. Reach out for help.
Aldrich Warleman, Telenoticia.